Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Humphrey Yang here. Today we're talking about how to go viral on TikTok. I have 5 different factors for you guys about how to go viral on TikTok, but first I want to show you guys my most viral video, and then we're going to talk about why I think it went viral and how you can replicate that in your own videos. Alright guys, here's my 32-ounce Hydroflask. I wanted to figure out how much it costs to make. So I naturally went to hydroflask.com and I clicked on 32 ounces. And oh my God, it's $45. So here you could click on terms and privacy. Welcome to Steel Technology LLC, DBA, which means doing business as Hydroflask. So I went a little further. I went to portexaminer.com, which gives you import records. And I found that Steel Technology LLC actually bought from this supplier. So naturally, I emailed the supplier. So I found the supplier's website. You can tell that they sell stainless steel bottles, and then I emailed them. I got into a pretty long conversation with them, but basically I want to show you this 32-ounce bottle. They're offering at 1,000 pieces minimum for $4.30 a bottle. So your $45 bottle costs less than $5 to make. If you like that content, give me a follow. I drop a new video every day. So why do I think that TikTok video went viral? Well, I think the first factor is that it's relatable. A lot of people have what's called a Hydroflask, and a Hydroflask is just an insulated water bottle these days that's pretty pricey. So as you can see in the video, I went over like a quick little reaction of why it was so expensive, but it's relatable because a lot of people have them, and there was something last year going on TikTok called the Visco girl. I think it still exists, but it's just a type of girl that typically has a Hydroflask. She wears a scrunchie. It's, you know, it's like if you were growing up in the 2000s, it was like those women that, or those girls that would wear Ugg boots with, you know, a North Face jacket. That was really big at my high school, and that's Gen Z's version of that is a Visco girl, and they have a Hydroflask. So number one, be relatable. The second factor that I think that you always need to go viral on TikTok is to tell a story. A story keeps the user engaged, and the algorithm optimizes for watch time. So in this particular video, I walk you through how I was able to figure out how much a Hydroflask costs. Obviously, a Hydroflask has a lot of other costs involved, but I just wanted to get to the base cost of goods. And that's what I did, and how I showed that process was telling a story. There was a beginning, a middle, and then the end. Speaking of the end, the third thing I think is the reveal. So the reveal, it gives you kind of an aha moment, or it kind of shocks you. And I think that's what this video did really well, is you kind of notice that, okay, they're selling this Hydroflask for $35, $45, whatever dollars, and it's only costing them a fraction of that to make. So that in and of itself sparked a lot of controversy, and that's why I think the video was also very viral. So yeah, number 4 was actually that the information has to be shocking, educational, or gives the person the aha moment. That means that that video is going to be really shareable and hence very viral, and that's why TikTok will optimize the algorithm to give that video a ton of views. The 5th reason why I think this video went super viral is the quick cuts that I used in filming it. Quick cuts are really important on TikTok, and if you've noticed, a lot of the videos on the For You page have quick cuts involved. That keeps the user entertained and moving along through the video and optimizing for watch time, as I said before. So if you want a viral video to go viral, if you want a video to go viral in the future, try to optimize for these 5 different factors. And you know, quick cuts is just a way of filming. It doesn't have to be a quick cut, but I think telling a story is probably the most important part of going viral. Now, caveat to that, I think telling a story that's relevant and a story that someone is willing to listen to for a long time, which is up to 60 seconds on TikTok, is really important here. That's why you'll see a lot of TikTok videos that go viral often are just part 1s, and then they're gonna save a part 2 for later. There are also accounts that have many multi-part series, and all those videos get a ton of views because the user wants to find out what happens. So as of today, this video has gotten me 4.1 million views and over 100,000 followers just from this video alone. I'm gonna make a separate video one day about how to get TikTok followers from your videos, but that'll be saved for a different time. Please let me know if you found this helpful, and make sure to subscribe and like this video if you did find it helpful. And I do hope that you can go viral on TikTok and get a bunch of TikTok followers one day as well. All right, that was the video. Thank you so much for being here. My name is Humphrey again. You can find me on TikTok at Humphrey Talks, and you can find me on Instagram at HumphreyLOL. I post there pretty much daily, a story or something like that. I haven't posted actual posts in a while, but please follow me there. I'd love to hear from you guys. Peace out.